Hello guys, good day. I'm back again for another tutorial. This is HPT tutorial for your basic setup, installation configuration for some open source application. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'm gonna show you the click to call application that you can use for your website, or if you are doing some support, so that you don't need a VoIP carrier to contact you with your customer. So you just need to configure the click to call to your website, or just send the link so that your client can able to contact you. Okay, I'm gonna show you. Okay, so here, uh, what I config is the Wikidial click to call. So this will be our extensions right now that have been created. So you need your HT domain, or generate SSL certificate. So to work on it, and just update this one, and this one. Okay, and then add the 9000 DID on the portal. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna show you on how do I add it on the. Okay, so here, so I need to upload the files in the system. Okay, okay. So I just need to upload this one, or I need to create another folder here. Folder. I can tell WebArt and C2C. Okay. And then you can open the WebArt PCC2C and just upload your files here. Okay, so we have here our files. Okay. Okay. So we have now here our click to call uh files. Okay. So after that, you can go to your file. Okay. Okay. And then you just need to update the following here. It is on the bottom. Okay. So you just update. You need to update this one. Just 9000. So be sure the password. It's been secured. Okay. So, okay. So this is configuration that we added. Okay. Then Control O to exit. So after that, you need to set so you need to compute HTTP. This one is the web RTC that we've been using already on BT on PJZip connection because we are using PJZip. Okay. And then the extension.com. Okay, so we have added there. And then you need to configure that. Okay, so we have all the okay, so this will be for the asterisk site, photontechstation.com, and the other one, yeah, okay, thing. So, okay, and then we can add our 9,000. Okay, from this for click to call from website. Okay, then I can put to in group. I can put in the support. Okay, submit. Then configure to campaign one. Okay, we have the support there. The situation we click. Okay, yeah, extension.com. So I need to configure here. And replace this one. Okay, 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 okay. And then to access the link, so you have this one here. Then click to call. Okay, so you will see this one. Click call now. So is zip is registered. So we can check over here. Our real time. Let's see here. Hmm, real time. So here I'm gonna show you. Then the A is one. Okay. Call again. As you can see, it will connected and I'm hold. It's hold on our. Let me try to call on my phone again. So as you can see, we have two calls here. That's my other one is a phone. Okay. So to answer, so we need to log in our agent. So let me log in the agent. I'll show you here. Okay, the agent login. Okay, so this is the protocol. We're connected. Okay, so it's the one queue. I can answer it. Okay, so I'm in. You can see it's connected. So if I hang up, okay, just ABC meet. Okay, so it's ready again. Okay, so let's try to make another call. So it's coming. Okay, hang up again. If I put on pause, okay, so I'm post now. And then if I call again, okay, as you can see, call in queue. Then I will answer. Okay, calls come arrive. Okay, then hang up. So means our call is working. So our click to call from our setup was working fine. So you can see here on the log. So this will work if you like if you handling support from some website or customer service, or you have some issuing or supporting some like internet providers, telco providers. So you don't need to you don't need a VoIP carrier to contact the support from for client, so that client can able to call you directly using the link, using the click to call website link. So you can integrate the link to your website, and it's ready to uh, taking calls. So if you configured and set up to your BG dialer, or sorry, BG dialer or other like pre-PBX possible to integrate it. So hope you are enjoying our video today about the WebRTC click to call for support. Okay. Thank you again and have a nice day. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe on our on our channel, so that you're always updated on our latest video. Thank you guys and bye bye.